I'm back, YouTube. Here's another great video that I have personally requested for you all. This is a Royal Upright Dirt Devil with the Royal print logo. And this is my Hoover Elite 2. My teal, turquoise, whatever you want to call it. We'll also be running these two on carpet and hard floor as well, just so you can hear the quality of them. And with that being said, we're gonna get straight to the point. So we'll start with the Hoover. It's the Hoover Elite 2. Let's do it. That's my Hoover Elite 2. And now here's the Royal Dirt Devil. Two amazing values. Hoover Elite 2, Royal Upright Dirt Devil. Just to get them closer. As you see, this is my Dirt Devil with the Royal logo, not the light logo. I'll probably end up doing that one next with another Hoover. So please go ahead and stay tuned. Please go ahead, watch, like, and subscribe if you haven't already. I'm your boy, yours truly, Kevin Love, giving you the highs and the lows of the best vacuum cleaners made in the world. That's my own personal opinion. Go ahead and check us out. I'm out of here. Peace.